Hello friends, Oindrila Ghosh from Morpang Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Finally, the rain has arrived in Delhi, and we are really happy to, celebrate the monsoon, and we are just waiting for more rain to happen. And so, seeing this nice weather, my mind just went out, flew through the window, and just cherishing around and realizing that I have few beautiful lovely pastels in organzas and georgettes, pure georgettes, and other type of creations which I actually have latest developed. And so I just thought that maybe I can showcase some monsoon creations to you, and happily you guys can flaunt around. So whoever likes the pure fabric, hand painting and handcrafted sarees, please have a look to them. So the first one, I would just start with a amazing georgette, pure silk georgette, absolutely pure silk georgette in 60 grams quality. It is in 60 grams quality, pure silk georgette. So the georgette sari has it's hand painted. It's a silk dye painting in georgette. And because I'm showcasing this sari as the first one, because it has a beautiful Ganesha painting. So this is the Ganesha. This is the Ganesha. Can you see the Ganesha? Yes. So this is the Ganesha. It's a watercolor, complete in the watercolor effect. The Ganesha is, we have painted the Ganesha in a complete watercolor effect, and this lovely floral, pastel floral design is done. Pastel floral design is done on the sides. On the sides, because of the light arrangement, maybe sari is. I'll try to make the video brighter through some editing. So this is the sari. It's a peach shade. It's a deep peach shade. And this this painting is from that the Taj Mahal inlay work, the stone inlay work. So this block has been picked up from that. So this is a painting, it is not block. So see, the colors have been this is the bordering. This is the bordering which is done with a with a color blocker. The border is done with a color blocker, and then the color is filled in this. So this is the this is the painting. So that's the border. That is the border, and completely, it's a fabulous artwork with this beautiful body. It's all completely in hand shading and the texturing. So you can see the flawless georgette fabric, see this, like, I mean, the trendsetter. I would say any georgette is a trendsetter. The georgettes are like something to go with every fashion concept. So this is the whole sari. It's a beautiful georgette with, and this color always suits every complexion. It's not anybody saying I'm not that it's wheatish, or I'm little on the pink side or something like that. But then this kind of a color, that's why I have chosen this kind of a color, because it completely suits all the Indian color complexion, all the Indian as well as Western color. I mean, Western people also, like people from the other part of the world. So this is the color combination. This is the, and the blouse piece is beautiful. This is a little on the peach brown shade. So I've given a tone of peach brown, and so this is the blouse piece. This is also in pure georgette, completely hand painted pure georgette. So this is in peach brown shade. So the border, this painted border, which will come on your blouse like this. The blouse will have this effect, and see the sari. The sari will have so that's the sari and the blouse. So this is the concept. So this sari and the blouse is priced at 12850, 12,850. So it is like the pure georgettes are now touching the sky because the fabric, because of the fabric, because of the cost of the silk has gone quite much. Pure. I'm not talking about anything impure in it. So it's a pure silk georgette. So 12850 is the including shipping. Including shipping, this is the price. So this is georgette, pure georgette number. I have only one pure georgette, and then there is this 60 grams chinon. This is 60 grams chinon. So today I'll showcase all the pure fabric. So this is 60 grams chinon. This is with the batik painting. This is kind of a batik concept I have given in this. So this is like this. This is also a very, you know, monsoon, monsoon color combination, monsoon appeal. This also has a beautiful monsoon appeal. This has a little bit of sheen than the pure georgette. This fabric has a little bit of sheen than the pure georgette, but and little on the, you know, the marble effect as the georgettes have. This one has a little more prominent, the marble effect. And so this is the pleats. So that's the front part of the sari, which includes the palla. So that's the pleat. So this sari has this kind of a combination. So this is the pleat part with a lovely lavender shade, beautiful lavender shade with this border. And so the blouse comes from this only. The blouse is basically the border with a little thinner on the border side. So the blouse is this. So it's a lavender blouse, and so this painting will come in the half of the body, and so like this. And the pleats will have a plain plain lavender color with border, the lower border like this. So this sari is priced at, chinon is priced at 9250, 9250, 9250. Then we come to a few silks. So these are actually these are pure silks. These are light pure silks, and these are called the Habutai silks. These are not this silk yarn comes from Korea. This Habutai silk yarn that comes from Korea. So, but it's a pure silk, and only then this acid dye paintings can come. This silk dye colors can come. So this is 60 grams Habutai silk. Beautiful color combination and a lovely layout. See, lovely layout. The roses are just bloomed. See, this is the perfect for monsoon get up. Perfect for a monsoon get up. Beautiful, see, these are the hand painted, completely watercolor washed out effect. So that's the body of the sari, and so that's the front, and this is the pleats will come. So it's basically the pleats will come from this. So this would be the pleats. Extremely beautiful, very shaped. I mean, it just follows your body. It just flows and follows your body contour. So this saris are very popular among young generations also, as well as people like us. So anybody can wear and flaunt, and this is perfect and very light and nice, fabric. So what I have done is that I have teamed up a beautifully different styled blouse with this. So this is a modal silk. This is a modal silk blouse with a little bit of a block. So it gives a very, you can wear with this kind of a Rani pink sleeveless, or if you want to make more, on the professional working person, or from for a party, I mean, in the sense that it needs to be a little corporate on the sides and also this blouse. So I have teamed up this blouse with this blouse and the sari. It's beautiful blouse. See, it's a beautiful hand block blouse. The blouse is in hand block printing. It's semi-stitched blouse and fully done. So you just have to do the side stitching. So this is the sari and this is the blouse. So let me tell you the price for the combo, which is 11,450, 11,450 including shipping. 11,450 sari and blouse including this. See how beautiful. This is magenta. This is actually a wine shade, and the texturing is done. The border of the sari and the texture is light peach color. So this is the uh, palla. So the palla has the border has this salt effect. This is a salt effect which comes with the salt effect border. I mean the color in the wet color only, these the salt, and there's a special type of salt which gets sprinkled, so then it, the color cuts from there, and this kind of a natural effect which comes. So this is the palla of the sari. See the roses with gold embellishment. This is a little gold highlighting. If you can check, yes, the shimmer. Can you see the shimmer? So this is a gold, gold highlighting, and so this is the rose painting. So this is the front of the sari. This kind of a front of the sari. This jade jewelry also is going so well with this, and so that's the whole sari has. This the lower border will have this kind of a look. So the lower border has this a little bit of rose paintings all over, the rose paintings with the salt effect border. So that's the combination. Salt effect actually gives a little tie-dye look, because it just cuts the color from that area where we apply the salt in a wet in a wet combination. So this is the sari. It's fabulous. It's and the soft completely. If you anybody who hasn't tried a Habutai silk handcrafted, please go for it. So this is the sari, and this is the blouse. So the blouse is in that Kani print on modal silk. The blouse is in Kani print modal silk, and the colors are totally matching, totally matching with the flowers. So this is the blouse, and so that's the back and front of the blouse. So it's semi-stitched blouse. Can a 48 up to 48, it can go up to 48 size. It's depending upon the stitching. So this is the sari, and it is the same priced. The sari is of same price as the previous one, which is 11450, the sari and the blouse, and this includes shipping. So the third combination, see how beautiful. Can you see how beautiful is the sari and the blouse combination? So this is the painting, and this is the front. So this is the palla, that is the palla. Beautiful, and it suits any body type, it suits any complexion, and because this will not give you any kind of heaviness, or a lot of weight or something like that, and can it can be draped in across any occasion. So this is the pleats. The pleat part has this kind of painting. So this is the pleat. So the gathering, the fall is so beautiful. So that's the sari, and that's the blouse. This is the blouse. So again, Kani print blouse teamed up with this sari. So the blouse is this. So this is the sari and the blouse. The blouse has beautiful Kani print with all the colors in the sari mentioned, all the colors of the flowers through this Kani floral print. So this is the combination. See, this is the combination. Completely, I mean, I would say ki this kind of combination, this kind of designing, this kind of creations are just one in its kind. That's all. I mean, there's no more words to say to make it more unique and exclusive. So this is another combination. So this is, again, the price is the same as 11,450 sari and the blouse both, and this includes shipping. So this is the third combination in Habutai silk. इसको ठीक करना, हाँ, The fourth, so this is another one very exclusive one, very exclusive sari is, this is mulberry, pure mulberry handloom silk 3 ply. This is Indian mulberry, pure Indian mulberry 3 ply Katan silk, 3 ply Krishnapuri handloom silk. Now, the sari has, what is the glamour of this sari? The sari has, again, this mala is going, this necklace is going with every design, I suppose. So, this is the, it's a complete natural dye. See, it's a complete natural dye, and the natural dye effect has come through marigold flowers. So, the natural dye processing, where the flower, actually, the flower color comes and sticks on the fabric, has a number of processing, has level of processing, and it's a very arduous activity. It's a very arduous activity. But see, this is the palla. So it's basically the print, this floral impression. This is called eco print. So this eco print, the floral impression is all over through the sari, all over through the sari. अच्छा वो चंदेरी भी दिखा देना जो मैंने बनाया. This is all over through the sari. So this is, and some parts you would see a redness, some parts you would see there is red color impression. The red color impression, that is from the manjishtha. This red color impression is from the manjishtha, and this is all marigold. Two types of marigold flowers have been taken in this. One is orange and one is yellow. One is orange, so the dark color has come from the orange one, and the yellow shade has come from this. So see the combination. So this is outstanding. This is outstanding, and this is a extremely corporate like sari. Very nice, very professional meetings and office and things like that. Some kind of very smart one, extremely smart one. So you can wear with any kind of silk blouse, single, and see the neckline. If you wear such a stone jewelry, such beautiful stone jewelry with this, see the whole look, is amazing. So now what I have done is that I have teamed up this ikat blouse. I have teamed up this ikat blouse piece with this sari. This is silk by cotton ikat. This is silk by cotton ikat blouse piece. So I have teamed up with the sari so that it gives that kind of a color. Because the marigold, which I have actually told you, is this, this is the yellow color, and then there is another orange which comes, and the green. So it's all of the same shade. Our handloom, our Indian fabric are like so much in sync and team with each other, that it just mesmerizes me no end at every level. So this is a hand woven silk. So before I I get down to the organzas, I would just showcase this sari. I think many of you have seen. So this is rain come again kind of a sari, where I have this is lately I just developed this one. And this is, I took 2 days to develop this one, and it is a complete hand done, and it is my own creation, my own design. So it's basically the concept is, it's the concept of the sari is a brick wall. We see the old heritage buildings with worn out brick walls, where the vegetation has grown over the years. So these are all, these are money plant, these are the leaf. See, there are small leaves, there are big leaves. This is totally a combination of various vegetations which we find in the old buildings, in the near about the old buildings. So this is the palla, and it is just against a wall. This is against the wall has this brick color. So this is the palla. See how beautiful. I mean, what grace and beauty the sari has. Acha, now the sari, when I come to the sari, it is a mal chanderi. Now what is mal chanderi? It has cotton yarn which is non-mercerized. So it is a cotton by Resham. It is that is we generally see in Chanderi they use mercerized cotton. In Mal Chanderi we don't use mercerized cotton. It is the natural cotton. And so this is the sari. So this is the border. This is the upper border, which comes like this, and then the whole sari has been given a grass effect. See, this is a grass. This is a grassy texture. The grass texture has come in the whole sari. So when I do a please show, the whole sari will look like this. It's amazingly beautiful and completely unique. Completely unique. See, this is the combination. This is the combination. That's the combination. Absolutely the fantastic length. And this is the palla. So this is the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of getup. The whole sari has this kind of getup. This is the lower border. These are all the motifs which are natural leaf, which are natural leaf, which I have given. See, these are all the natural leaf which I have given. And the blouse. So the blouse has this brick wall effect. So this is the blouse piece. So this blouse, with this blouse, see the sari and the blouse. How elegant. This is elegance unlimited. So this is the sari. I have not done the pricing yet, but definitely whoever is interested can please write to me. So I'll let you know this would know how much. So this is the sari and the blouse. So now we quickly come to the pure organzas, the pure organza saris, which I love to always create. So this is all with hand painting, with silk dye colors. These are 2x4 quality pure organza, 2x4 quality pure organza. So that's the palla. That is a hand painted palla, completely hand painted palla. So that's the pallu. What I have given in this, yeah. So this is the hand painted palla. It's a complete nature's, complete nature's gift to us. It's a nature's gift to us. So the lower border has this palm tree effect, which is going through painting only, and the upper border has this kind of a little cherry blossom, little floral, cherry blossom flowers and things like that. So that's kind of an upper border. It's running like this. See the color. It's like, what would I say? I have given a facing. It's a pure satin facing at the back, so that and a little piping is visible in the front. So this is the organza. And please, whoever has any confusion wearing an organza and you feel that it just gives you a fulla effect, it just doesn't settle on your body, it is not that. Organzas are, if you can just tie the saris nicely, they are one of the best saris which can give you the most sensuous look. So this is the sari, beautiful one. And see the hue, all through painting we have created this hue. That's completely exactly the color. I have placed the camera like that today after a lot of permutation combinations, so that this time today the colors are coming perfect. So that's the hue. It's beautiful. Whoever loves green should always just run for it. So this is the blouse piece. It's a indigo, it's a deep midnight color, deep midnight blue color. The blouse piece is in deep midnight blue color with this combination, which is the pallu. So this is the blouse piece. So that has a green selvage border with this. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. So this sari and the blouse, costs 10450, 10,450. Another lovely organza with 2x4 quality, pure silk 2x4 quality is this. So this has a lotus pond It's a beautiful lotus pond. This is the combination. This is the lotus pond combination. Let me go nearer to you and showcase. So this is the lotus pond combination. There are lovely two cranes sitting like this in the lotus pond, looking and waiting for the fish. So they are such good hunters. I mean, they are so quick to do it. So the selvage is this. It's a teal blue selvage. I have given a teal blue selvage in this. Beautiful teal blue selvage. See how smart is the coloring. So there are just a very nice abstract kind of a body color. The body pattern is a little on the abstract, the leaf and all that. See, this is the body pattern. This is the body pattern. It's an abstract art with the leaves and lot of texturing. Actually, these sarees take a lot of time to get this texture done. Conceptualization, the texture, everything. So whoever loves organzas quickly should go for them. See, I love organza. I keep wearing them. I just love it. So I wear a lot of organzas and a lot of this thing. So you just need to wear it a little nice way, properly, so that it just gives a very nice, because I'm wearing it double also. This is the double layer I'm wearing. Then when you wear it single layer, it will just fall on your body like any other normal silk, but it will not stick to your body. It will just beautifully, you can flaunt it around. So this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this sari. This is the blouse piece. So this is the blouse and that's the sari. So this is organza number 2. Blouse and the sari combo costs 10,450. The third sari in this is in peach kind of a shade, and there are there are 2 beautiful flamingos. So I've given a peach shade because it's a flamingo design. So this is a beautiful flamingo. See, this 2 beautifully hand painted flamingos on your palla. And so this is the sari has a totally abstract, this kind of an abstract getup, very small, just if you do a ramp walk, see how smart the saris are. So this is the flamingo, and the whole sari has this kind of an abstract patterning. So that's the pleats. So this is the pleat. The pleat is this. So yeah. So yeah. So this is the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of thing. So I just quickly brought it to your close look. So this is the whole body. Absolutely creative, height of creativity, I would call this kind of combinations. And this is the selvage is a flesh tint color. The selvage is in flesh tint color. This is the the facing of the sari, and the blouse is this color. So the blouse is actually matching with the palla. So this is the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and that's the whole sari. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful combination. See. So this is also priced 10,450. Okay. So these are the 3 hand painted organzas, and then there are 2 organzas which are hand blocked and hand painted both. But so this is a golden hue. This is a golden hue with lovely floral palla. This is a golden hue with beautiful floral hand painted palla. Beautiful florally hand painted palla. The upper border has this kind of a shading. The upper border has this kind of a mocha brown shading, the upper border, and there are embroideries also. There are small embroidery pattern also, like this small embroidery pattern in the body. So this is the whole sari. The lower border has the floral getup. The lower border has this beautiful floral getup. So this is the lower border, has beautiful floral getup. See, so this comes all through. This comes all through your pleats. This comes all through your pleats. So this is the pleat part, and this is the palla. Beautiful sari. This is a very beautiful sari, and we have given an hand blocked body, hand blocked blouse. Sorry, in chanderi, hand blocked cotton silk by cotton chanderi blouse piece. So with this blouse piece and with this organza sari, the whole combo comes to 9,400. 9400. 9400. So this is one. The other organza is again the block. Beautiful lavender orange flower, beautiful flowers, beautiful. See, this is, and the block comes in a cross pallu design. The block of the sari comes in a cross pallu design. So this is the cross pallu design. That's the sari. That is the getup, and there are little bit of embroidery. If you can see, little bit of mirror work, in the in the, and also it runs all through. So this is the this block, the block area develops more as we go inside. The block becomes more, but then in the lower part, so in the lower part of the sari, the flowers are all visible. The flowers are all visible. So it's basically, the block part will come like this. So this is the concept. This is the concept. Very, very beautiful. Just don't leave it. Just go for it. Reason to wear organzas, to wear light silks, georgettes, chiffons, chinons, and all that. So this is the blouse piece with this. So the blouse piece has this block pattern, this block pattern of the blouse. So it matches with this block. So this is hand block. This is by discharge block. This is done. And so this is the sari and the blouse. This sari and the blouse costs 9400, 9400. And the last of the holes, the series is this organza. This is a blended organza. Oh, pricing dekh lena. This is a blended organza. These are not pure, not 4x2 quality, but these are blended one. So this is nice. I mean, you can party. These are more for the party wear, and so this is the embroidered one. This is the embroidered one, not hand embroidery, machine embroidery. So it's like this. This is a machine embroidery. The whole getup is through machine embroidery, and so this is the palla. This is the palla. The whole sari has this kind of embroidered motifs like this. So that's the whole sari. On the sleeves, the blouse has this kind of work on the sleeves, and the back has this kind of work. Both the sleeves will get this kind of embroidery, and the back has this kind of work. So it's very pretty. So this priced at 6750. So this is priced at 6750. So thank you, friends. I'm done with the video, and whoever just want to flaunt in monsoon can get back to me.